Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about gradient of vector calculus. Gradient of phi equals to grad phi, denoted as del phi or nabla phi, which is del x phi I plus del y phi j plus del z phi k. Del is the vector differential operator, which is del x I plus del y j plus del z k. Here is a question: if phi equals to x square plus y minus z, then grad phi at 1, 0, 0. We know grad phi equals to del x phi I plus del y phi j plus del z phi k. Now let us find del phi del x, which is del x of x square plus y minus z. So this is 2x. Del phi del y is del y of x square plus y minus z, which is 1. Del phi del z is del z of x square plus y minus z, which is minus 1. Now let us put here del phi del x is 2x I, del phi del y is 1, so only j, plus del phi del z is minus 1 k. Now let us put x as 1, y as 0 and z as 0. So we will get grad phi as 2I plus j minus k. So option C is the correct answer. Next question: if phi equals to 3x square y minus y square z square, then grad phi at 1 minus 2 minus 1. Similar question, you work out yourself. Question number 3. A unit normal vector to the surface phi equals to xyz at 1, 1, 1 is. Remember, grad phi is the normal to scalar point function phi. So suppose this is phi of xyz, then at a point P, xyz, the normal is, so here if we draw the tangent, then there at this point if we draw the normal, this is grad phi. So you know how to find grad phi and what is unit vector. Unit vector of A is vector A divided by mod vector A. So unit normal vector to the surface phi is grad phi divided by mod grad phi. Okay, so you can do it yourself now. Here is a question: if r equals to xi plus yj plus zk and r equals to mod r, then del 2 r2 we have to find. Given r equals to xi plus yj plus zk, so mod r is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So r square is r into r, that is square root of x square plus y square plus z square into square root of x square plus y square plus z square, which is x square plus y square plus z square. Now we have to find del 2 R2. We have to remember here that this del 2 is called the Laplacian operator, which is del 2 del x2 plus del 2 del y2 plus del 2 del z2. So del 2 R2 means del 2 del x2 plus del 2 del y2 plus del 2 del z2 R2 we have to find. That is, we have to find del 2 del x2 of x square plus y square plus z square plus del 2 del y2 of x square plus y square plus z square plus del 2 del z2 of x square plus y square plus z square, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. What is directional derivative? The directional derivative of a scalar field phi x y z at a point p x y z along the unit vector a is given by grad phi dot a. The directional derivative of phi is maximum in the direction of grad phi, and the maximum value is mod grad phi. Now let's see how to find the directional derivative. Here is a question. Find the directional derivative of f of xyz equals to xyz at the point 1, 1, 1 in the direction of the vector 2i minus j minus 2k. So first we have to find grad phi, that is grad f here, and it is del f del x I plus del f del y j plus del f del z k. Now what is del f del x? Del f del x is del x of xyz, that is yz. Similarly, del f del y is del y of xyz, that is xz, and del f del z is del z of xyz, that is xy only. Now let us put here del f del x is yz I plus del f del y is xz j plus del f del z is xy k. Now the directional derivative is directional derivative in the direction of the vector 2i minus j minus 2k. Say the vector is a, then it is get f dot the unit vector of a. Okay, so a is 2i minus j minus 2k. Mod a is square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4. Square root of 9, that is 3. So the directional derivative in the direction of a is grad f dot a by mod a, that is yz I plus xz j plus xy k dot 2i minus j minus 2k by 3. Now let us put x equals to 1, y equals to 1 and z equals to 1. Then we will get I plus j plus k dot I minus j 2i minus j minus 2k by 3. Now if we do the dot product, then we'll have I dot I is 1 and I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0. J dot j is 1, j dot k 0, j dot I 0. K dot k is 1, k dot I 0, k dot j 0. So you will get 2, then minus 1 and then minus 2 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3. Next question, find the directional derivative of f of xyz equals to x square yz plus 4xz square at the point 1, 2, minus 1 in the direction of the vector 2i plus j minus 2k. Similar question, work out yourself. If you have any question, drop in the comment box.